Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a T80 Ferrari 488 GTB edition. First, carefully unbox your racing wheel, the two-pedal set, and the attachment system. Next, securely mount the wheel to a sturdy table or desk. Use the fastening screw and mounting system to ensure it is perfectly stable. Finally, connect the pedal set cable to the designated port on the wheelbase. This ensures all components are physically ready for action. Now, let's connect your T80. For PlayStation consoles, simply plug the wheel's USB connector directly into an available USB port. For PC, you'll need to visit the official Thrustmaster support website to download and install the latest drivers. Remember to restart your PC after installation. Crucially, ensure the wheel sliding switch is set to the PS4 position for both console and PC use. To activate racing wheel mode, hold the PlayStation button while connecting the USB, then release once the LED lights up without flashing. Once connected, it's time to fine-tune your in-game experience. Launch your favorite racing game and head to the control settings. Here, you can adjust parameters like steering linearity and dead zones to match your personal preference. It's important to set the in-game wheel rotation to 270 degrees for the most accurate steering response. Keep in mind that the T80 utilizes a bungee cord mechanism for linear resistance, providing a realistic feel without traditional force feedback. To ensure your T80 Ferrari 488 GTB edition lasts, always connect it directly to your system's USB port. Avoid using USB hubs or extension cables. Regularly check the Thrustmaster support website for driver updates to maintain optimal performance. When you're not racing, store your wheel and pedal set in a clean, dry place to protect them. For safety and better control, remember to wear shoes when using the pedal set during gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.